Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore fonts and typography in Adobe XD documents step by step clearly. Open your Adobe XD document where you need to restore fonts and typography. Begin by checking the left panel for any missing font notifications. If you see a warning icon next to any text layers, select that text layer. In the right property panel, you will find details about the missing font. Note down the name of the missing font for reference. Now, open the Type menu from the top toolbar. Click on Fonts to explore your available font options. If the missing font is not listed, visit Adobe Fonts or your font management tool. Search for the required font and activate it if necessary. Return to your Adobe XD document after activating the font. Select the text layer with the missing font notification again. In the right property panel, click on the Font drop-down menu. Scroll through the list to find the restored font. Select the restored font from the drop-down. Observe how the text updates to reflect the selected font. If you have multiple instances of the missing font, repeat the process for each text layer. Once all fonts are restored, review the typography for consistency. Make any necessary adjustments to sizing or styling to achieve your desired look. Save your document to ensure all changes are retained. You have successfully restored fonts and typography in your Adobe XD documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.